Sports betting is tough because sportsbooks design the odds so they win in the long run. But OddsJam's flip the script with its positive EV tool. EV means expected value, and when it's positive, it means the numbers say you have an edge. Here's what happens. OddsJam scans dozens of sportsbooks and finds bets where the probability of winning is better than what the odds suggest. Over time, placing these bets again and again gives you steady profits because you're betting with the math, not with your emotions. The best part is, OddsJam updates you instantly, so when lines change, you're the first to know. And with its bet tracking system, you can keep an eye on your results and build confidence in your strategy. Want to see how positive EV betting can grow your bankroll? Use the link in my description to get a 7-day free trial with OddsJam and start betting smarter today.